Today we have a mail time. Let's find out what are in these boxes. Guessing these are from subscribers that need their model engines get fixed. By the way, please be patient as I am trying to do my best to get your model engines fixed. For those who already send me your engines, it takes time, so please be patient. Thank you very much. So we are gonna begin with the smallest box that is here on the lot. Let me see from which this is coming from Washington State. We got these models from Washington State, and here is Emily. Oh, it's broken. I see. I might have some of this piece. I have a lot of this, so no, don't worry. I don't know. I haven't read yet. Oh, look at that. I have a gift. Excellent. Thank you very much for the gift. Let's see what's this gift about. I like the gift. That's our surprises. I really love it. Look at that. A really cool gift. Thank you very much to our friend who sent us this nice gift. I really appreciate every single gift. Don't worry if you send me a note or postcard or whatever. So I think we have another steam alone engine, model engine right here. Here it is, and I feel it's heavy. I think the batteries are in here. Okay, I'm gonna try to read real quick the note. Oh, okay, here is from one of our friends. He said, "Thank you for restoring my Dan and Flora. Still waiting on her." Sorry about that. Flora, I lost the shell. I lost the top. I'm still looking for it. I don't know where my wife left it. But as you can see, right here I have Dan. So don't you worry. I get your Flora fixed really soon. If I don't find it, I will get you another one. I have two other Floras. But yeah, definitely, yes, I will. Oh look, it's working. This is good news. If this is working, that means we're just gonna put some wires in here, and that will fix the whole problem. It's missing some rods, side roads, so I will fix that too. Okay, he said that Emily has a broken chassis, missing traction tires, and needs a tender. Unfortunately, I don't have any tenders because I use them all for the Crovans, and I don't remember the other green engine, but I will try to do my best. Definitely I will fix this and this. I don't have the tender, but I can fix this one and this. And thank you for the gift. Okay, now let's see the next box. Our next box is coming from Florida, Hialeah, Florida, and everything looks like it's loose in here, but anyways, not a problem. Okay, let's see what are the oh, look at here. We have a Henry. And I obviously can tell that needs the wires rewiring. The good thing is that it comes with a battery cover. That's excellent, and it's in a pretty good condition. A little bit of paint here and there, not a big deal. That's excellent. And we have another James that needs some rewiring. Yes, I think I remember. I don't know if this is the right one. I don't have any note here, so there is no note. I need to find out who sent it. And here we have a Percy. It doesn't have any gearbox, no motor, no electric motor, and it's with a little bit of corrosion, missing rubber wheels. And I think we have one more. here is a Thomas, the tank engine. Thomas doesn't have anything, just pieces, and there is no note in here. Can't find anything. So whoever sent me this model engine from Hialeah, Florida, please contact me on YouTube, here on YouTube or Facebook. I'm trying to find out who sent it. Okay, never mind. I find the tracking number, and see right here, our friends sent the package on December 4th, and I will show you. Unfortunately, it took a long time and was delivered on January 13. That's over a month, and it's out of control. You know, I can't control that, so I'm sorry it took so long to get to me from Florida. It's over a month and what, and 8, 9, 10 days. Wow, that's a lot, 40 days almost. So I don't have control of that, but thankfully we got it delivered. It took so long, but anyways, we are gonna try to get fixed this and send it back as soon as we can. So I remember our friend told me to fix these model engines, and I don't know about this, but I hope he contact me on Facebook again so we can discuss what's going on with this. And please be patient. It's gonna take time because I have other models engine on waiting to get fixed, and other stuff like making custom engines. So let's see the next box. Alright, our next package is coming from Flint, Michigan. Whoever sent this box, I'm opening right here on video, so you may see that I just got it on December 13th, and today is the 15th, but I'm still behind doing some work on other engines. Let's see what's the note and what's in here. What's this model engine? Gotta find our scissors. Can't open it with my fingers, and I think I know what it is. Okay, it's another steam alone engine, and this one looks pretty good. It's not really bad. I mean, this decent condition. And let me read the note. What's here? It says, please see if you can help Thomas. He has a broken battery terminal. That is all we know of. We would love to play with him again. Yes, I like to fix your engines, so not a problem at all. I think it's gonna be not really hard or complex fix, since it's only battery terminal, but looks really clean. So definitely we are gonna try to show. Please again, be patient. I got a lot of stuff to do. I will try to get it done next week. So I will try to fix everything up and getting ready to ship back to the owners. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video, this unboxing video, and see you next time. Thank you.